Welcome to Janine Cuisine. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a fried chicken with honey butter. Okay, let's get started. Here I have a chicken. The chicken is clean and cut in pieces, and I am going to use paprika, turmeric powder, black ground pepper, and I'm going to use seasoned Goya seasoning and the potato starch, 1 egg, and all-purpose flour, salt to taste, and don't forget a hot pepper, but this is optional. You may not use it if you are someone who don't like hot pepper. Okay, let's get started. In my bowl here, I'm gonna use salt, and I am going to use Goya seasoning, and I am going to use turmeric powder, and black ground pepper, and paprika, and here I have an egg. I'm gonna crack and put it here. Okay. Let's mix all together. Okay, I'm gonna use my hands to mix all this together. When you do this, and just set it aside about 30 to 45 minutes. If you have time that you're gonna make this chicken tomorrow, you can season it and put it in the fridge overnight for better results. And you have a flour here, and mix the flour with potato starch. And I'm gonna add, I forgot to add my pepper. I'm gonna add my pepper. Any hot pepper you have, it's fine. So this is what I have. Here I have a flour. I am going to coat my chicken before I fry it. Start with this. So you remember the flour is mixed with the potato starch. You can find potato starch in your local grocery store. our chicken is ready, so I'm gonna remove it. Look at that. Done. Okay, now I am going to show you how to make honey butter sauce. In a pan, I'm gonna add some butter. I'm gonna melt some butter. I'm gonna add some honey. It depends how much sauce do you need. That's just enough for me. You still have to put a little bit salt. And I'm still gonna add my hot pepper, very little, like this, enough. That's it. Here, our chicken. I'm just gonna use this one. There. That's just I made. Just mix it together with the cilantro. And we'll put it here. The rest. Okay, thanks for watching. If you love this video, give thumbs up, share, like this video, leave comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching again. I am so grateful that you have time to stop today to watch this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Enjoy fried chicken with a honey butter sauce. Very delicious. I mean, you have to pot. Yeah? Oh my God. Then I made it for my wonderful sister. She just came back home. So I made this for her to welcome her. This is so good. Bye-bye.